Okay, Mishnah Yomi. Good morning, Kal Kadosh. Mishnah Yomi, Masechet Bava Metzia. Perek Hey is going to be Perek Hey Mishnah Yud Aleph, the fifth chapter, Mishnah 11, and Perek Vav, Mishnah Aleph, in the sixth chapter, number 1. So this Mishnah is going to speak about people that are involved in a loan with interest, which again is against the Torah, and the different prohibitions that are involved. These people are going to go against, they're going to have a negative commandment. Who are the people? The Malveh, the Luven, the Arev, right? And the Edim, which is going to be the lender, the borrower, the guarantor, meaning if he guaranteed the loan, and the witnesses also the loan, because if they were the witnesses, each one of them, they put a part into this loan, and therefore they over on the negative commandment of ribit. Chachamim say even the sofer, even the one that's writing the document. Okay. Now, ovrim mishum lotiten, they're going to transgress against the negative commandment of lotiten, meaning that you shouldn't give it with ribit. Mishum baltikach meito, and also you should not take the interest. Mishum lotielo kenoshe, and also you should not act him harsh, right, as a harsh creditor. Right, and you should not place an interest on him, right? So look how many averot that a person has. Look how many lavin, right? Mamash, like it's like well, it all depends on the circumstances, but there's a lot of them. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Mishnah Aleph. Okay, this is chapter 6, Mishnah Aleph. This chapter we're going to be dealing about hiring workers and animals. Okay. So what happens if you hired craftsmen and they deceived each other? So to minute they cheated each other on the conditions. They only have taromet, right? Why? Because they agreed to do it on a lower wage, or they had no legal claim, or whatever it is. So therefore, all they have is just taromet. They have a complaint, but nothing more than that. What happens if you hired a donkey driver or a wagon driver to deliver a piece of the wood for, let's say, a bridal chair? Or chalilim, which are like the flutes for a dead person, for the funeral, or for music at a wedding. Or workers to lift the flax out of the water. Or anything which will get ruined. And now they retract. He says, in a place where the employer can find no one, right? Basically no one else to do the job, basically for the same price, he could hire the workers, or matan, or he could trick the original workers back into doing the job, and then afterwards just pay them the original amount. Meaning, now that there's nobody else, he could do that. So, for example, let's say I get somebody to do a job. Yeah. Now I want to get the job finished, so I go to somebody. I tell them, okay, finish the job, but now he's going to charge me much more. So what I do is I get them more expensive, and then afterwards I'm going to pay him less because of what happened, what he did. And the same thing over here. This is the concept.